Three things you should never do in a Nerf war. Number 1, ask the other team for ammo. Hey dude, can I have some ammo?
Here you go. There's your ammo.
Number 2, you should never help the other team. Hey dude, here's some of your ammo that you asked for.
Oh, thanks.
And step 3, betray your friends. Hey dude, come on. Let's go. And those are